I'm here today with the FLO Home X5, FLO's PLC-connected smart charger. It sells for $695. FLO also sells a Home G5, which is basically the same unit, but it's not a smart charger. That sells for $495. Both units are 30 amp chargers, which can deliver up to 7.2 kilowatts to an electric vehicle. That's good enough to add somewhere between 15 and 30 miles of range for every hour of charging, depending on how efficient your electric vehicle is. Both units have a 25-foot long cable. They use the J1772 connector, which will charge any electric vehicle sold in North America, even Tesla's, using an adapter. It has a NEMA 4 enclosure, making it perfect for outdoor installation. It's Energy Star certified, it's CSA safety certified, comes with a 5-year warranty, and it's made in Canada. And if you want to see the full review, it's available on my channel, State of Charge.